exciting project because 3,200 square feet, limestone. We're gonna do 8-class seamless system. We've done this many times. Guys are excited because we can make this floor look amazing.
Hey guys, Costa with Pinnacle Stone Restoration. We just completed 12 days project. We refinished 3,200 square feet of limestone. It was segmented floor, distressed grout joints, a lot of discoloration, a lot of scratches, some like pitting as well. So we transformed the segmented floor into seamless floor, unified floor, something that untraceable with untraceable grout joints. So as you see here, everything is seamless, naturally polished. We did up to 3,000 grit planetary head machines, so we had a nice tool pressure. So those are the projects that we are very proud of, because this is our bread and butter. This is something that we believe in and we try to preach, almost like becoming like our religion, because this is the opportunity for any floor to become something special. And this is a good example of it, because this floor really looks special. And this limestone, I know this limestone is from Bulgaria, Sofia Limestone, and I've worked with this limestone, many times, and I know the nature of it. Also the grout joints, as you see the grout joints, you can come to the camera close to the grout joints. You see how well they blend, the color, the background of the grout and background of the stone, almost similar. So from segmented floors to the continuous unified floor, this is something special, something unique, and that's what we believe in Pinnacle. Again, I want to thank you guys for supporting us, following us, asking us questions. That motivates us, because it's very important to have a great audience such as you guys. So really appreciate your support over the years. So I'm going to continue showcasing and covering important materials for you guys, and see where it's going to take us. So until next time, all right? Guys, let me show you what we're doing. Let's make sure that we identify the areas that we're not doing. So that room is porcelain. This room, the client's gonna remove all the stuff in an hour. He's gonna bring these people, and they're gonna remove that. So that place will be empty. Areas that we need to avoid doing it. By the way, these two bathrooms, we're doing those two bathrooms. Connections, one is located here, one is over there. This is porcelain, so we're not going here. Okay. So basically, the hallway, bathrooms, the bar area, and that's it. So as you see, this one is a home finish, and this one is a texture finish. Again, seamless floor, but we have two choices. The one, we can do home finish, or we can do leather finish. To be honest with you, my favorite is leather finish. So client is still thinking about it, see which finish we're gonna go with, but this will be exciting. Same situation, you see the
limestone thing, yeah.
Yeah,
around it, it shows that. Okay, let's do it. Let's start. This is an exciting project because we can make this floor look amazing.
Yes.
Come on.